Welcome to this lesson on ChatGPT, Tips and Tricks for Effective Interactions. In this quick and effective lesson, I'll be sharing some tips and tricks that will help you interact with ChatGPT more effectively. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to get the most out of your conversations with ChatGPT. Let's get started. Tip 1. Use specific language. The more specific you are with your questions, the easier it is for ChatGPT to provide accurate and relevant responses. Instead of asking broad questions like, "What is AI?" or "Tell me about technology," try to be more specific. For example, you could ask, "What are the advantages and disadvantages of using neural networks in machine learning?" or "What is the difference between virtual reality and augmented reality?" Tip 2. Provide context. Providing context is essential in making sure that ChatGPT understands your questions and can provide useful responses. If you're asking about a specific topic or subject, provide some background information or context to help ChatGPT understand what you're looking for. For example, if you're asking about a particular news story, you could mention the headline or provide a brief summary of the story. Tip 3. Use follow-up questions. If you're not sure if ChatGPT understood your question or if you need more information to provide a helpful response, ask follow-up questions. This will help to clarify what you're looking for and make it easier for ChatGPT to provide a useful answer. For example, you could ask, "Can you provide more details?" or "Can you explain that in simpler terms?" Tip 4. Take advantage of the ChatGPT knowledge base. ChatGPT is trained on a vast amount of information, so if you're looking for information on a specific topic or you have a question that requires some research, ChatGPT can help you find the answers you need. Just ask. You can ask for statistics, historical information, definitions, or any other information you need. Tip 5. Use natural language. When you're interacting with ChatGPT, try to use natural language as much as possible. This means using complete sentences and avoiding text speak or abbreviations. The more natural your language is, the easier it is for ChatGPT to understand what you're asking and provide an accurate response. In summary, if you want to master ChatGPT, use specific language, provide context, use follow-up questions, take advantage of his knowledge base, and use natural language. By following these tips and tricks, you'll be able to get the most out of your interactions with ChatGPT. Thanks for watching, and I hope that these 5 quick and effective tips can be helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.